What's going on, guys? There it is. Hobby box. There you go. It's that time again. Look at that. We're almost through with it. Let's go ahead and get started. Appreciate you guys watching me go through this hobby box, man. It's been a lot of fun. Love reading the comments. Steve Rodgers, Sushi Seth, Complex Rex, Realistic Ralph, Tug of Warren, Blizzard Blake. Oh, we got a green, Extinction of Dinosaurs. Number 2 of 10, and look at that, man. What the heck was that? B2A. Garbage Mandy. Sweet. Are you kidding me? Bonus sticker. Man, if you guys watched the first my first video when I got this box, I was talking about how I had the understanding that you had bonus stickers in here too, as well as the black borders, and there wasn't a bonus sticker in there. Kind of like on the bonus boxes, nothing just fell out. And then I find this. Wow. Unreal. That is sweet. Garbage Mandy B2A. Honestly, I haven't even seen this one. I've seen the He-Man one. That's pretty rad. Nice. Alright. Let's go on to pack 2. Yeah, I've got some pretty cool cards, man, so far. Bryce Lice, Jersey Jeff, Pete Sheet, Lifted Linda, Marshy Mel, Bob Sled. Oh yeah, Boston Tea Party, and we got a green Gooey Huey, and the Tea Party is number 7 of 10. Alright, highlight of this video, man, for sure. B2A, Garbage Mandy. So this and my black border card, man. 2 cards I never would have got without this hobby box.